In the shadow of a large development at the corner of Academy and Wardlaw is a small brick building with a powerful history. Dr. E. McClaren moved to Greenville to work as a physician at the Benevolent Hospital.
When they closed down the hospital, Dr. McClaren decided that we deserved better. And so he took his own $15,000 and built the McClaren Medical Shelter on Wardlaw Street beside his home. Now, to put it beside his home also says something, that he was an open person with his caring and his dedication. People came from all over, Anderson, Lawrence, Greenwood, to get his care because he was the best. He had the best bedside manner.
At the time, African Americans could not receive care at St. Francis, and there was just one ward at Greenville Memorial.
It had to have been my grandmother, because normally they wouldn't have allowed me. I was 12, and I thought that was real strange that all the black people was in one spot at the hospital. So, but that's the way it was in the late 50s.
Dr. McClaren was Greenville City Councilwoman Lillian Brock Fleming's pediatrician.
But his clinic was not very far from where I live, which is near the Unity Park. I used to love his lobby, and I went there for everything. And he always, encouraged me. And they start off by asking you, well, how you doing in school? He always asked you questions about yourself. You need anything? You want to ask me any questions?
The McClaren Medical Shelter had an operating room where over 300 major surgeries were performed in 5 years. McClaren treated more than 1,000 patients who either paid out of pocket or received care for free because insurance companies wouldn't allow him to bill them for fees.
We think about Harriet Tubman being really honored for leading about 70 slaves to freedom. But here we have a doctor, because of his passion, not only paid to build the hospital, but he provided services for over 1,072 patients in the 5 years that he remained open. And so this legacy of the McClaren Medical Shelter is not just a history of black community, but it's a history of Greenville.
The McClaren Clinic was moved a few thousand feet during the summer of 2020 so it could be preserved near its original location. Renovations are underway. A community group will decide how to best use this space to carry on Dr. McClaren's mission of compassion, equity, and good health.